How to manage ads access on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage ads access on Google Chrome mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here to go to the settings, and now click this one, settings, and then go down until you find this one, site settings, and then go down and you will find ads here. And if you want to block ads, just click here, and if you want to turn this one off, just click on it. And as you see, that's how to manage ads access, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.